In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can check out how much storage available in your Chromebook device, and there are three methods that I'm about to show you. So let's start with the first method. The first method is pretty easy. You have to open the Files menu, click the Launcher menu, and then open Files. And then here, if you navigate, if you hover the cursor above this area, you can click on it. And you will be able to see this information, 89.5 GB available, and it is being represented by a status bar, I believe, or progress bar to be precise. And you can see that I still have plenty of storage left, and maybe it will change color, especially if you have almost nothing left in your Chromebook device, and it's just a way for the system to warn you that you have to free up some space, or maybe store or move some of the files from Chromebook into somewhere else. So that was the first method. The second method is, I think, a bit more useful. So you can open the settings page, and after that you have to open System Preferences, click Storage Management, and it will display the same information but much more detailed. You can see that I have 38.5 GB and still have almost 90 GB available. And not only that, I can actually see what are the things that are actually taking the most space in my computer. So you can see that the browsing data takes about 1.5 GB, and if I want to remove it, I can click on it and it will open Google Chrome, which is basically the browser, the main browser of Chromebook. And I have the option to remove the browsing data like history, cache, cookies, etc. But in case you want to remove the browsing data, I recommend to not remove the cookies and other site data, because this is actually not taking a lot of space, maybe just less than 10 megabytes in general. And also, if you remove this, then when you browse to some website that you use, like maybe YouTube, it will log you out from the website, so you have to log in, enter the password again, which is really annoying. So I recommend to not removing the cookies, just remove the browsing history and download history, and also the cache data. And basically that's the options that I recommend to remove. So if you go back to the storage preferences, storage management, you can also see the apps that are taking space. You can click on it and the device will reveal the apps that the list of apps in your device, and you can choose to either keep it or remove it from the device, and hopefully it could free up some space on your Chromebook. And that was the second method. But there is still another method which is very interesting, and maybe not for everyone, but I just want to show you. So you have to use Google Chrome, and you want to open a new tab, and after that you have to type Chrome : and then slash again quota internal. So that's the address that we need to open. Press enter, and it will give you this information, which is much more detailed. And also you can see that I have 106 GB available. It's actually supposed to be 128, but I believe maybe the rest is used by the system. But basically I still have pretty much the same information from the storage management that we saw earlier. And this is definitely not very user friendly, but yeah, just another way to check the data, the usage, storage in my Chromebook device. So that's basically it. The three methods you can try to check how much storage available and use in your Chromebook device. I hope you find this tutorial video to be helpful, and please consider subscribing to this channel. It will really help the channel out, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video.